In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore old photos in seconds with Canva AI. We'll take a worn, scanned photo and quickly bring it back to life using Canva's built-in AI tools. If you have your old photo ready on your computer or phone, you're set. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design or opening any template you like. A simple blank canvas works great, and the size doesn't matter too much at this stage. If you have a specific frame or print in mind, choose a size that matches it so you won't need to adjust later. On the left side of Canva, open the Uploads panel. Click Upload Files or just drag your old photo straight into Canva. Once it appears in your uploads, click it to place it on the canvas. Position the photo and use the corner handles to resize it. If you need to trim edges or remove borders from a scan, use the crop option so the subject is centered and fills the space. The cleaner your crop, the better the restoration will look. Now, open the Apps panel on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Restore Old Photos. When the Restore Old Photos app appears, click it to open. With your image selected on the canvas, choose Restore. Canva will analyze the picture and remove scratches, reduce noise, and enhance details automatically. This usually takes just a moment. Once it finishes, review the result up close. You should notice faces, textures, and contrasts looking crisper while preserving the original character of the shot. Next, go back to the Apps panel. In the search bar, type Colorize. Open the Colorize app. If your image is black and white, this tool can add natural-looking color in one click. With the photo selected, choose Colorize and Replace. Canva will process the image and swap in a colorized version on your canvas. If your photo is already in color, you'll likely see minimal changes, and that's expected. Finally, adjust the image size and placement on your design to fit your layout perfectly. Use the alignment guides to keep things neat, and make small tweaks to framing if needed. At this point, your restored photo should look fresh, sharper, and, if you chose to colorize, beautifully modernized while keeping its vintage feel. That's it. In just a few steps, you've used Canva AI to restore and, optionally, colorize an old photo. Keep your original scans safe and feel free to repeat the process on other images for a consistent look across your collection.